Good morning, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Greens Plus. And here we have the plus of, ladies and gentlemen, Starlink. Apparently, according to somebody I know in this little town who is part of a Starlink Facebook group, I am the first nerd in this community to get Starlink. Wow. So this is going to be a big thing when it's added to the gym I partially own, as well as the units, the rental units upstairs that we will shortly be renting. And I don't want to break anything in here. So this is the great unboxing of the Starlink hardware. This was $800. Nicely wrapped, I would say. Oh, look, it comes with a bonus spider. Although I think maybe the spider snuck in there. So we're not going to say thank you to Elon Musk for the spider. So that is a piece of plastic. I'm going to keep this box in case we... Oops. Yeah. In case we need to move it for whatever reason. It's always a good idea to keep the original packaging because it's best shipped in the original packaging. This is the bracket. I think this is the stand, maybe? I'm totally guessing mine to what, by the way, but this looks like the stand you might put it on. I'll stick that right there. Sorry for the noise, guys. And a little piece of the bracket that keeps it from banging against the dish. There we go. That is a Starlink dish. It's not that big, eh? Not like those giant ones that people bought 20 years ago that were amazingly huge, that would fit most of the backyard. And here's the indoor unit, I guess. Try not to kill it. There's a little, can you see in here? Not good enough. Well, there's the electricity part. And this is, it looks like, no, it's not the USB-C, it's proprietary, I think. But we'll have a look. Gently put that down. And then, yeah, it's basically it looks like a big version of the old-fashioned, I don't know what they're called, but the older style. Anyway, and that comes with a long cord. I'm not sure how many feet that is, or meters or whatever. And there's the power connection. That's going to be interesting. So I think this is going to go for that. It's quite you can tell it's going to put a lot of electricity through the system. Not enough to raise the electricity bill, hopefully. But here we go. Regulatory notices. Let's see. Let's find English. Is English number 1? Yes, it's in number 1. Let's find it. Hopefully in here is the instruction kit. This looks just more like, some telecommunications stuff. Portuguese. There we go, English. Let's see. I'll hold this still long enough. You can, guys, if you want, you can hit pause and read it. Hopefully the resolution is good enough. And I will do French for my French friends. So, hold it still well enough. There we go. And I'm not going to read it out loud. People can do that if they want. I won't bore you by trying to read it. And here's the bottom of the box. And there's nothing else in it. So I'm assuming then it's very plug and play. So I guess this cord is the power cord to this box. And then the other end of this very long cord, which will go out a window or through a wall, fits into there. Let's see, Is it upside down? Oh, that's going to be interesting. Yeah, just have to be very gentle, I guess. Oh, okay, so... don't break it. Don't break it! It will go like this. Right? Yeah, like this. And it seems to be... Oh, that's clever. Yeah. So we'll... Look at this, it has a gasket. I wonder if that means... Can this go in outside? That seems a little strange. I don't know. Still have to figure out where to put it. Yeah. Because this one also, as you can see, has a little rubber seal on it. See, that has a rubber seal. And that also has a rubber seal. So I am going to have to look. There goes the spider. Yeah. Let's see here. Dome side up. Yeah, there. Fits quite nice. That rubber, it must, I'm not going to say must, but it might go outside. Or at least it gives you the option of putting it in a not quite nice location. Because when was the last time you've seen weather sealing on a box of a router or Ethernet thing? So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the great unboxing of the Starlink unit. For anyone interested, we will do a follow-up video, perhaps of the install. That's going to be really interesting. And give some download and upload speeds. Anyways, yes, that is a very elegant box of expensive equipment, which hopefully will remedy our horrible internet problem. I mean, it's not extremely horrible, but it's like very, very difficult to get a stable internet connection. We talked to Northern Telecom, who was like, well, you know, you have 3 units. This was live because they were looking at our readings. There are 3 devices on here streaming, and one of them is downloading, and if you want to have better internet, you're going to have to upgrade. And it's like, wow, 2 people are using shock awe. YouTube, and the other one, I'm not even sure what was downloading. It wasn't anything serious, that's for sure. And it was making the internet either crash or so ridiculously slow that, you know, uploading a 5-minute video would take hours. It took me over 12 hours to upload a 10-minute video. Now, mind you, I actually basically gave up on the Wi-Fi in this building a while ago. If I want a somewhat stable connection, I will use my data, which luckily is unlimited, although after a certain amount it will slow down significantly. And then it kept... I either was in an area where the internet wasn't, or sorry, the data wasn't strong enough to continue the upload, or it got shut off accidentally, and so it would luckily restart its download, but it took over 12 hours, I think, to upload a 10-minute video. It kept restarting. At one point it got to like 85% with an hour or 2 to go, and then the next time I looked at it, it was down to 26% with, I don't know, I can't remember how long, but a long time to upload. And that was just with one thing going, and I think I refrained for at least most of that time. Some of the time I was traveling to Timmins, but a lot of that time I refrained from doing anything else serious on the internet just to help it get up, and it was still not going up. So the data, I have Rogers here for the time being for my internet provider, cell phone and data provider on my phone, and it is not stable. either. It's pretty shoddy as well. Plus, there's a lot of empty or area between here and anywhere else where there's literally no data signal. It's like the big circle with the line crossed through it, like with no smoking. That's kind of mildly terrifying considering how long the spaces between communities are and how there's lots of areas where there is sketchy guardrails or no guardrails. And in the winter that will be a very big problem, especially when we regularly go to -30 and -40. Yeah. Anyways, enough about the other stuff. This is a Starlink unboxing, and I hope everybody enjoyed that. Again, if you want to back up and read the regulations thing, feel free to. If you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share. Sharing is caring after all. And I hope everyone has a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome, stay adventurous. And I know I'm probably forgetting something. But anyway, bye.